Good morning, guys. Yeah, could someone link the Discord? I probably need to put the Discord in the About page too. No notifications? Weird. Solars, nah, they probably need a bit more time. Like SPWR, if you can tighten up a couple of days, it could be a 5-star setup. Yeah, I think they need a bit more time to set up. SPWR is very close being a great setup. And also, which one is it? CSIQ? This one, wow, it's gapping up. But this one also a couple of more days. We can just tighten up a little bit. This thing is starting to look really good. Yeah, I'm short Tesla since yesterday. Let's see, where is the... I'm gonna... let's see... I'm actually gonna put the Discord link on my About page. Let's see here. How do you invite people to the... oh man, I'm so bad at Discord. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the Discord link on the bottom of my about page. Whoa, what's going on? Oh, okay. Okay, updated the about page now. Yeah, so exactly. I don't see many setups either. Like the indices look like this. Like this is what the Nasdaq looks like. It looks great. It's flagging. It had a nice run from the September lows. It had an orderly pullback, sideways action, found support on a rising 20-day. And there are no setups. It's pretty amazing. Like you would think with the indices looking like this, there would be 100 good-looking stocks, but they're not. Like look at the leading stocks. Well, actually, Coupa looks pretty nice, but look at something like Shopify, right? Something like Okta, okay? Something like D-Dog. I mean, they're all kind of broken for now. Something like Square. There are no. There's just, you know, the leading stocks have broken down the past few sessions, and they remain broken for now. For now. For now. That could always change pretty quick, but for now I just don't see any, or very few. Let's just say very, very few setups. Almost none. Yeah, we had some airlines and blah blah blah, yada yada. But it's not about sector rotation. I mean, Nasdaq is flagging, but there are no stocks in Nasdaq, almost no stocks that have looks like the index. That's the thing. Yeah, and some of the recent IPOs had nice breakouts too lately, like you and a couple of others. Good ETF for cybersecurity stocks. No, there is one. Hack maybe. Yeah, Hack is one. Yeah, Snow, that one I missed. Yeah, yep. Oh man, this one hurts. This one hurts. Okay, whatever. Can't catch them all. So right now, yeah, I went short Tesla. It failed on VWAP a couple of times. I don't have full size yet. I'd like this thing to break down below that 420 area, which is ironically the 420 is a big support area. Kind of funny. Yeah, anywho. NIO, I covered up most. It didn't really break down. I still have some. We'll see how it acts today. Okay, the markets are open. I have no main watches. Gonna take it very, very slow. Maybe I'll add some NIO opening range lows, a few. But right now it's kind of strong. No, I stopped out a pen yesterday before the close. He took out the highs of the day. Small caps are strong. Small caps are up nicely on the day. Holy shit, Tesla looks really weak. No, I missed opening range lows. So Tesla is right on the 50-day. If this thing loses the 50-day, things could get ugly. I added a little bit more to my Tesla, nothing big. It's right on the 50-day, man. I also added to NIO opening range lows. Added back what I covered yesterday before the close. Oh boy. So Tesla is trying to lose the 50-day. If this thing can't reclaim the 50-day, next stop is like 18-19% lower at the 100-day. Interesting. OPTT, what's going on here? Wow, yeah, it's setting up. Wow, this is the one I got stopped out of, like, I think last week or earlier this week. But it is starting to set up. Yeah, Snapchat is, yeah, it's going. Yeah, tech looks good, but yeah, it's a commodity. I hate trading commodity stocks. Okay, Way is starting to break down further. I'm gonna cover this one before the close. I'm not gonna hold it into the weekend. Fastly, yeah. Looks like shit, this one. Peck looks like shit. Yeah, NIO is holding really strong. This thing is incredibly strong. I don't know why. Let's see what happens when the 10-day catches up. If it can, you know, have a leg higher, or if it's finally gonna break down. It's holding up really well. AMSD, nah, I don't know. Yeah, Tesla, I have a big position. I doubled my position in opening range lows. It's my biggest position. I have 14,000 shares. I really hope this thing goes to the 100-day now. I also have a decent position in NIO, but that thing, I'm short 200,000 shares of NIO, but this one is holding up really well. This random stock deck scum is trying to break out of this range. What do you mean, do you flip it? Yes, stop is usually at the eyes of the day, but I don't mean what you... I don't know what you mean by flipping it. Is Pradeep my favorite trader? No. I am my favorite trader. I'm not a narcissist at all. David is my least favorite trader. Wait, what? Over 300 viewers? What the hell is going on? Something... The system is broken. No, David, you're my least favorite trader. Oh, it's because ViewBot is turned on. I see. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. No, I don't know. I don't know. I barely even know my neighbors. So no, I don't know who Melina is. I almost never leave mom's basement. I don't even know names of my neighbors. How do you know she lives near me? Well, Stockholm. I mean, she could be in Stockholm, but still like an hour away from me. Who's a loser? Hey, David, who are you calling a loser? She's 16? Yeah, that's really weird. In that case, she's half my age. That's really weird. Do I feel old? When trying to short momentum stocks, sometimes yeah. I'm not as fast as I used to be. Yes, I'm 32. Oh wow, way. Here it is, sub $2. There it is. At least one short is yeah, I'm trying to get back into the small cap momentum shorting. Oh, Peloton is trying to lose the 20-day. Next stop for Peloton, if it loses the 20 days, the 50-day, that's 20% lower almost. Oh, NIO! About to take out yesterday's lows. Tesla, holy shit! Between Peloton, Tesla, and NIO, I'm short like 15 million worth of stock. Come on, come on, go to zero. Could all of these things go to zero? Yeah, No, I don't have any leverage. I'm not the margin right now. I shouldn't show my P&L today. But if the P&L is... But last time I showed P&L, it was all on the long side. If I show a P&L on the short side, does that mean the market will start going higher? I'm not really sure how it works. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna save the short P&L for the next few weeks. You know, after we had a nice pullback, maybe after the election or something. It's not working in that direction. Damn. I don't know what the wash sale rule is. Is it when you sell a stock and you wash your clothes at the same time? KXIN. It's just a random microcap. I don't know. No idea. These pump stocks are really hard. Yeah, newsletter. Yeah, that's the problem with these pump stocks. You know, if you buy a newsletter pop, you're almost certainly gonna lose. You know, that's the problem. All right. Let's see here. Hey David, are you vacuuming again? And that's tick breakout starting to fail. Net in a few days. Yeah, that's one of the few ones still holding up. But no, I think the 20-day needs to catch up at least. So I don't think, maybe later next week, like late next week, the earliest. Would I enjoy getting back into small caps? No. I'm too slow and my accounts are too large. So no, I wouldn't enjoy it. I don't have any retirement accounts like Roth IRA since I'm not based in the US. Yeah, a line from yesterday, that was an episodic pivot, earnings gapper, having some follow through, and Snap too. You know, earnings season is just starting. We're gonna get more of these. I kind of dropped the ball on Snap. I kind of passed on it. I didn't think it was gonna go this. I don't know. I just passed on it. And a line, this one is still, it's just starting to go. We're gonna get more of these. There's a lot of them every earnings season, or not a lot of them, but you know, bunch. Yeah, Sam is a slow name. Consider an EP? Yeah, sure. I mean, yeah. If it beat big on earnings and things like that, yeah, sure. I haven't looked it up since I'm not interested in trading it. Logi? Yeah, Logi is a failed one. Logi failed. Episodic pivots could be, I would say, a few weeks to a few quarters. It depends. But yeah, it's more of a... I mean, look, episodic pivots, you can day trade them, you can short-term swing trade them, and you can position trade them. Peloton is just about to lose the 20-day. Man, this thing, oh man, next stop is the 50-day. Oh, I would like to add to it, but I'm not gonna. NIO weak. Tesla is kind of hanging in there for now, but it is below VWAP. I would like to see a few weeks of nice sell-off, maybe retest the September lows, and then get a nice rally into year end. That would be like an ideal scenario. Get another couple of weeks of selling. Is the election on the 6th? Yeah. And then maybe get a 6-8 week rally into the year end. 3rd? Oh, it's on Tuesday? Okay. Yeah. MRO. Well, MRO, if you really like the oil trade, the entry was yesterday. A lot of the oil names, they had an entry. But, you know, a lot of them kind of broke the ranges yesterday. MNRO. I mean, these bottom of the barrel stocks, I don't see a setup here. Oh, snap. What a beast. Damn. I missed that one. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? NIO. Come on. Just about to lose this range here. And you can clearly see, you know, you have a big range here, and this thing has been building lower highs for like what, past 6-7 sessions. XPEL looks similar to what, Vodafone? Oh, VSTO. Leisure auto parts, yeah. XPEL, this company is actually pretty interesting. I wish I had invested a couple of years ago when I first stumbled upon this thesis, but yeah. Maybe next year I'll start investing. We'll see. I would like to start investing after bear market. Hey David, how many losers do you have in your account right now? Be honest. If your position looks great on the 6th, well, you should just ignore the 5. You shouldn't even be looking at the 5-minute chart. Lots? David, do you have lots of losers? Hey David, I have a great tip for you that's gonna help you in trading. Get rid of your winners and keep your losers. Reno put you in them? What an asshole. Why are you so disrespectful to David? He's your elder. Please be friends with David. I am friends with him. David is my only friend on Facebook. Hey David, did you like the video I put up on Facebook? Where I was voting? I didn't see your like. You're my only real friend on Facebook. It's important that you like it. Otherwise I might fall into depression. I see Reno liked it. Reno liked it, but I don't see your like. It's almost like you're a fake friend to me. I know. I'm a boomer at heart. What can I say? Actually, I posted it on Instagram, but there's also a function where it posts automatically on Facebook. So that's what happened. It's not like I posted directly on Facebook. He will put a nasty comment on my video. If I would reshort pen, not yet. It had that annoying wick below the 50-day, but yeah, maybe if it loses yesterday's lows. But I don't really. I'm in some really good setups right now, like Tesla, NIO, and Peloton. I mean heavily in the. Like those 3 stocks, I mean, I'm short 15 million total. And if I'm right, like these things, they all have like easily 20% of downside. Well, you can do the math. You can do the math. If I'm right. You didn't like the video? You loved it? Did you put a heart? Oh, did you put a heart on my video? Ah, nice. You're the only one who put a heart. Thank you, David. That's what real friends do. Hey, David, I haven't liked any of your pictures. What do you say about that? I haven't liked a single one of your pictures. Chumia? Oh yeah, yeah. You know, these micro cap, small cap names, these things can live their own life. But yeah, I shoulda, coulda, woulda, man. I shoulda, coulda, woulda. On the day it broke the range, but yeah, whatever. Am I an outdoorsy person? I used to be more. Now I'm a more of a subscribe to all the streaming services person. Yes, I'm a full-time basement dweller. Well, I really don't see much to do here. I had a great reshort, or not reshort, but I had some great ads on NIO and Tesla from my initial entries yesterday, and yeah. Well, I do wish I was short maybe one more stock. Maybe like Square when it started breaking down, but I didn't realize all the stocks were gonna break down when I saw the Square breakdown. It was one of the first leaders to start breaking down. So I didn't realize the potential yet, so that's why I passed on it. But right now it's kind of holding. But I think it's gonna go to 50-day too if he keeps selling off. Or actually indices are holding up, but the leaders are selling off. How's my cat doing lately? He's sleeping. He's heavily long sleep. He's on margin. If I would have to invest my money, what stocks, indices? Oh, for next 10 years? Oh, I have no idea. I would probably put them like in an index fund or something. I have no idea what's gonna do well in the next 10 years. I don't know. Maybe I would buy like a diversified portfolio. I have no idea, man. Would you ever buy a hypercar? No. Even if I had $1 billion, I would probably not buy a hypercar. Buy a painting? Sure. Would you buy a if I would buy a professional WoW player? I didn't know you could buy them, but you mean sponsor them? That would be pretty fun to like sponsor an athlete or something. You can buy anyone? Yeah, I guess you can. Well, not anyone, but you can buy most people. There is a price for everyone, almost everyone. Not all people, but or have them killed? What the fuck? That escalated quickly. I use some random Swedish brokers. You can open whatever. If you're based in the US, you can open whatever trader. David is 10k per year. David is not for sale. If I'm interested in a real outdoor experience, boating, let you know. Where are you based, Lotbrook Trader? My target on Tesla is the 100 day. That's the first target. I don't see any support until then. Like that, maybe 340 area, 350 area, maybe. You know, that's my target. Svalbard? Really? Oh, I want to go to Svalbard. Maybe I'll take my boat there. Holy shit. I want to go to Svalbard. Yeah, if there's a lot of great setups, I usually watch all of them. That's my weakness. Hey, did I like the picture of your wife 5 days ago? I have to check. Where is it? Did I? Well, yeah, well, it's of your wife, but I don't like any pictures where you are in. Your wife is gorgeous, and your daughter also, but I don't like any of your pictures. That's what I meant. Seven-figure day? Not for me. Not yet. Peloton, Tesla, and NIO would have to go down like another 5% each for me to reach 7 figures today. It is doable. It is doable. Yeah, if you only trade a breakout setup, which you guys should, this is not the market to trade. This is the market to just shut off your trading platform and study past setups. That's what you guys should do. Like, I think we're gonna have a nice run later in the year, and that's what we should be preparing for. This is not an environment to trade on the long side, or swing trade on the long side. Snow. No. Livongo setup still good. It's holding up. It's holding up. You know, yeah. It looks okay. It looks okay. It's still holding up nicely. And if it would break out, you know, or attempt to break out again, I would buy it. But yeah, right now I don't see anything breaking out though. Next week earnings, 28th, yeah. Yeah, this is the time to catch up on some really good trading books and study past setups. This is where you hone your skills, guys. This is where you hone your skills. This is not where you know, obviously if you're a day trader, that's another thing. And if you are experienced in shorting stuff, but for a long breakout trader, I think we need a little bit more time. And if you want good trading books recommendations, there are my favorite ones are in the about page. You want to give your profits back to the market? Wait, you went through all 5,000 stocks? Jesus, already? Holy shit. Is there a way to find more? Well, you can go to TradingView and go through the individual country markets. I did that too. I have a chart database for like every market in the world. That's what I did if you're bored. The Chinese markets, the Hong Kong market, and I think it was the London exchange. Those are gonna be, there's so many stocks on those exchanges. If I don't have any if I have any friends, I have a Facebook friend, and that's David. But other than that, no. Nope, no differences. It's the same setups. Do you know why? Do you know why there are the same setups in all the countries? Because of human psychology. That's the correct answer. That's exactly what I was gonna say. Until you hijacked my answer. Because of SoftBank. Wow, Tesla. Woo! Hey, again, you know, maybe there could be a 7-figure day today. Especially if Peloton and NIO start breaking down too. Yeah, whoa, could be a big day today. You have very few stocks. What? Yeah, Peloton is holding the 20 for now. Hey, have a nice weekend, David. Hey, David, I'm gonna like one of the pictures you're in on Facebook. I picked the one where you look handsome. I just put a heart on it. Watch my short thesis. My short thesis, it's breaking down. That's my short thesis. All the leaders have been breaking down this week, and this one was very. This one is, you know, looking like it wants to break down. Also, the last couple of times it has reversed at the 50, but you know, I think this time it could do it. This is the third one. We'll see. We'll see. Third time is the charm. Well, you know, that's how it usually works in the markets. If a stock tests an area several times, you know, the more times it tests it, the higher the probability of success. It's the same thing with breakouts. That's why I think, you know, if a stock has had a failed breakout and then resets and tries to break out again, that's a stronger setup. And I think it's the same thing with breakdowns. S&P 500 edition, they didn't get accepted into S&P 500 because they don't have real profits. You need to have real profits to get into the S&P 500. JKS, yeah, JKS getting sold off. Alright, I'm gonna do a scan and I'm gonna cut the stream. Things are getting boring. Viva. Coupa. Damn, there are some random stocks up, like Coupa and Viva. But there are no setups here. I don't see any good setup. Coupa is a maybe setup, but again, it's not really. You know, you want to see, you know, a great breakout environment is when a lot of stocks are breaking out and having good setups. Right now, that's not the case. There are some random stocks here and there. That's what I don't like. If I will add to NIO short, probably not. It's a pretty big position. I'm short 200,000 shares. I'm not gonna add more. And it needs to close weak for me to, like, it needs to close at or near the lows of the day for me to hold this whole position overnight. Twilio needs to build a range. Beyond Meat. Yeah, Beyond Meat is broken for now. Peloton is trying to bounce off the 20-day. We'll see. We'll see what happens. You know, I mean, literally a few days from now, we could have a lot of long setups. So, you know, things could reverse pretty fast. Right now, I don't see anything good, but literally a couple of sessions from now, you know, picture could be different. And also we have earnings coming up. So there's going to be a lot of opportunity over the next couple of weeks, either way. All right, guys, thanks for joining, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. And don't forget to study setups. That's the only way you're gonna make it in this game. All right.